Watch how they're doing it. Don't bend your knees. Don't bend your knees. No feet. You're cheating. Okay. There you go. The last one. The last one. Keep your feet straight. Good. And then when you land, your hands have to be like this. Make sure your hands are like this when you land. That's good, Goldie, like that. Good, good, go. If you go, good, go, go. You did it. Start again, start again, start again.
Take off your skirt, Esther, ma'am. It's too long.
Don't do it. Okay. Wait, let Miriam go. Wait, let Miriam go. No, but Miriam has her skirt off. Miriam had to get her skirt off. Are you in pants? Okay, good. Go ahead. Yeah, go ahead.
Short.
Good. Good job. Just make sure your hands are like this. When you just start standing up, Goldie. Take your socks off. Take your socks off. Yeah.
I can't do it. I've never done it.
Better, no, not so far down.
Put your hands like this.
Now go. 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 Push your hands in. Hands in. Hands in. Hands in. No, your hands have to be closer to your here. Closer to here. Push, 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 push. Okay, start again. Start again. Start again. Okay, Goldie, go. Ready?
I'm not going to do it.
No, don't go down the floor. Stand up. Go. Hands in. Hands in. Go. Go. Almost. Almost. You're so close. It's okay. It's your first time. It's okay. Don't worry. So that's the idea.
Just like you go like this.
Go. You don't need to put your hands in. Hands in. Hands in. Hands in. Push. Push.
You're too under.
Oh, don't push. Don't push. You can push on her wrist. Like this.
Put your hands like that. I'll try to roll over time.
Just keep it. Just start like this and go. And then put your hand in.
You don't need to put your hands in backwards.
You don't need to put your hands in there. Don't. Go. Now put your hands in. Now hands in. Go. Push. Go. 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 Okay. Okay. Go. Hands. Good. Good. Don't use your knees. Keep your legs straight. Do it again, Rafa. Hands in. Don't keep your legs straight. Hands in and go. Legs straight, but hands in. Good. Hands in. Good. Good job. Okay, so everybody go? Did you go? Everyone? Okay. Okay, girls. Girls, handstand, forward roll.
No, I can't do it. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's like beginner. Yeah,
I want you to do it. I have a problem with it. Good try. Good job. You just keep your legs straight. Okay, girls, handstand forward roll without my help. That means you have to go into your handstand. Girls, just go all the way down the mat. Girls.
Just go all the way down there.
Hello? Hello? Rifty? Rifty, hi. That means handstand. And then
It's called the weave.
forward roll.
I did it. It's called the weave. It's called the weave.
Girls, I want you to do it without my spotting. Go. Almost, almost. Good. Do it again.
I can't do it.
Hold it. Roll. There you go. Good job.
I can't hold it for so
That's it.
long.
That's it. Good. Good job. Wait, handstand. Hold the handstand. Hold it. Hold the handstand. Hold it. There you go. Okay, Fanala, are you going? Hold the handstand first, then roll. Good. Roll. Roll, roll. Remember, tuck, tuck. Bend your feet, bend your feet. Go. Hold the handstand, legs together. Do it again, legs together. Legs together. Almost. Good. Hold the handstand. Do it again. Hold the handstand. Then roll. Handstand. Then roll. Handstand. Good. Do it again. Handstand. Roll. There you go.
There you go.
Is this a higher? Is it a race?
No. Make sure your mom responds to me.
Why does it start January 1st?
Yeah, it's in 2 weeks. Okay, go. Good. Roll. Roll. That was so close, Misty. You had a great handstand. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Just you gotta roll. Don't just clap. You gotta make sure you tuck. But don't forget to tuck. Remember, girls, head in, knees in. You gotta tuck when you roll. But first the handstand, then tuck.
Try it.
Okay, it's not gonna feel great if you do it wrong with this hard mat. Okay, go. Okay, go, Ricky. Hold it. Hey, hold it first. You held it first the first time. Hold it, then roll. Hold it. Oh, almost. Come on, you can do this. Hold it. Now roll, roll, roll. Gotta tuck your head in. Do it again, one more time. Tuck your head in and bend your elbows after you do the handstand. Handstand. Good. Now roll. Almost. You're so close, Christy. You can. You just give it up. Okay, go, Kevin. Roll. Oh, wait. Don't clap. Roll. It's even better. What? Almost.
Well, that was good.
Do it again. Hold the handstand. Hold it. Then roll. Keep your legs together in the handstand. Hold it. Legs together. Now roll. There you go. Almost. Roll. Roll.
Hey, wait a minute. Miriam.
Then tuck.
Miriam.
Handstand.
Miriam.
Tuck. Not
Miriam.
clapping.
Miriam.
Let me spot you one time.
Psst.
No, she can't.
How long is the video going to be?
Handstand. Handstand. And now. Okay. Now do it. Okay. Handstand. Just handstand, then tuck. Ready? Handstand. Handstand. Now tuck, 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 tuck. No. Tucking in.
Okay.
Okay. But you put your feet in, not out like that. Okay. Handstand, tuck. There you go. Good. Hold the handstand better, Miriam. Hold it, hold it. Hold it. Now roll. There you go. Good job. Hold it. Now throw it. Good. Hold the handstand, then roll. Hold it. Now roll. Good. Good. Roll. Good. Hold it. Good. Hold it. Good. Just now squeeze harder when you think you're going to hold it. Squeeze. Now roll. Beautiful.
That was good.
Beautiful.
That was good, Rachel. That was fine.
Good. Now roll. Good. Now one more. And that right from there. Good. Good.
She's
good,
fine.
Good. Perfect.
She's doing great. It's the three of
Go
them.
ahead. Oh, this is the beginning.